Welcome to Foxtecc, where even the seemingly simple aspects of technology hold fascinating insights. Have you ever noticed that when you're using a phone app, the keypad displays only numbers? Take a closer look though, and you'll see that beneath those digits lie hidden letters. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a clever design choice that greatly enhances your phone's functionality. On your phone's keypad, the numbers 2 through 9 each correspond to 3 or 4 letters. Despite the absence of visible letters, they're cleverly integrated under the numbers. This design ensures a seamless experience for users, allowing you to access both numbers and letters without cluttering the interface. Practically speaking, let's consider dialing a number that contains letters like 1-800-555 APPL. Even though the keypad only displays numbers, pressing a single number corresponds to multiple letters. For instance, pressing 2 could represent an A, B, or C. So dialing 1-800-555 APPL would translate to 1-800-555-2775. What's interesting is that this feature isn't limited to iPhones. It's a universal design across all phones, ensuring consistency across various devices. Before we move forward, take a moment to explore the Foxtecc educational platform. Here you'll find an array of courses designed to enhance your iPhone's functionality. And the best part? Some of these courses are available for free. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to elevate your phone experience, Foxtecc offers resources to suit your needs. As we wrap up our exploration of the hidden letters beneath your phone's keypad, it's evident that even the most subtle design choices can have a significant impact on user experience. Thank you for joining in today. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and consider exploring the courses available on Foxtecc. Your support means a lot.